In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a contact to a supplier in Xero. This process is essential for those who want to keep their records accurate and their business transactions smooth. We'll start by logging into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. This will take you directly to your dashboard, your command center for managing your financials. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to the Contacts section. From the top menu, click on Business. Within the drop-down, you'll find Contacts. Select all contacts from there, and you'll see a list view of everyone you're currently dealing with in your system. This is where you can manage and make changes to your contacts. The next step is to find the specific contact you wish to change to a supplier. You can use the search bar at the top or simply scroll through the list to locate the contact in question. Once found, click on their name to access their profile page. Here, you get a detailed overview of their current settings and previous interactions. Now let's update the contact details to reflect supplier-specific information. On their profile page, you'll want to look for and click the Edit button. This is where you can start inputting or altering details pertinent to suppliers. For instance, add or update their bank account details. This is crucial for processing any payments. Don't overlook their tax details, which ensures compliance and proper record keeping. Enter a billing address for where invoices and statements should be directed. Lastly, there's an option to set a default expense account. This is optional, but can streamline future transactions. Xero's system doesn't differentiate between customers and suppliers in traditional labels. Instead, a contact is considered a supplier as soon as you start engaging in specific types of transactions with them. Initiating either a bill or spend money transaction automatically flags them as a supplier. Once you've recorded such a bill or payment, you'll notice the contact appearing in the Suppliers tab within the Contacts menu. This intuitive change happens seamlessly in the background. The final step is to ensure you save all the changes you've made. After updating all necessary details, find the Save button and click it. This action confirms and stores the modifications, making sure that your contact is now recognized as a supplier in your financial records. And there you have it. Your chosen contact is now a supplier, fully integrated into your Xero system for future transactions. Following these steps, you can maintain a robust and organized accounting structure. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful Xero tips.